Some big news coming in. 10th round of Corps Commander level talks between India and China to be held tomorrow. With disengagement at Pangong Lake complete, the next round of meeting will now discuss further course of action. Disengagement at Gogra, Hot Springs and Depsang to be taken also will be carried out in days to come. After Pangong, a roadmap for other friction points will also be discussed. Remember, 9 rounds of talks that it took for finally China to back off. And now the 10th Corps Commander level talks will be held tomorrow is what reports suggest. Now, with the disengagement at Pangong Lake complete, the next round of meeting will discuss further friction points and what next, the further course of action. Disengagement at Gogra, Hot Springs and Depsang to also be taken up. After Pangong, a roadmap now for other friction points will be widely discussd. Remember, there are friction points along the line of actual control. The Pangong Tso, the south bank of Pangong Tso, those are the areas which we're currently seeing the Chinese troops pull back, and it took them quite a while. In fact, it's been over close to a year since friction has been on. Over 9 months odd that friction has been on, and after 9th round of Corps Commander level talks, the troops have pulled back, and we saw satellite images that clearly shows that. And now the 10th Corps Commander talks, what does it have in store? Let's quickly cut across to Gaurav Sawant, more details on that. Gaurav, to take us through 10th round of Corps Commander level talks, we believe that now the discussion will be disengagement at Gogra, Hot Spring and Depsang, also other friction points to be discussed in this meet.
So far, after the 9th round of talks, the task that was given for both sides has been completed. The disengagement on both banks of Pangong Tso has been carried out ahead of schedule and as per schedule. So the next round of talks will take place tomorrow. The 10th round of talks between Lieutenant General P.G.K. Menon on the Indian side and Major General Liu Lin on the Chinese side. In this in the 10th round of talks, other friction points all the way from Tenchok to Gogra to Hot Spring and very crucially Depsang will be taken up. It remains to be seen how many rounds of talks will be required for a mutual withdrawal or next course of action at other friction points. But because the first round has been successful at North Bank and South Bank of Pangong Tso, it is hoped that important lessons have been drawn by both sides and may be put into practice for the next round, which next round of the 10th round of talks, which is more crucial, more critical, and far more complex, Nabila.
Right, Gaurav, thank you very much for joining us with those details. 10th round of talks now to be taking place between India and China. This will be more crucial, more critical. As per what Gaurav said, some friction points will be discussed further, including that of Gogra, Hot Springs and Depsang. It will be taken up along with other few friction points that will be widely discussed. Remember, these satellite images show very clearly the pullback of the Chinese troops from the finger areas. And here we're looking at the 10th round of talks that will be initiated tomorrow between the two sides.